We're getting new details on what it would take for the state attorney's office to pursue the death penalty against Stephen Stearns. He is the man charged with the murder of 13-year-old Madeline Soto.
WESH 2's Megan Mulatto joins us live from our Osceola County Bureau. And Megan, you spoke with the state attorney. He says there's a lot to consider before making that decision.
Yeah, he sure does. He says there's a lot to consider here. They, of course, have to consider the extent of the crimes committed, but they also have to consider Stearns' childhood upbringing and his mental capacity. Now, Stearns was supposed to be back in court for his arraignment this afternoon. He waived his appearance, and then the event was canceled.
What the case laws and what the rules say is that you have 45 days from the time of the arraignment.
45 days from Stephen Stearns' arraignment date is how long the state attorney's office has to decide if they'll be pursuing the death penalty in this case. Stearns was charged with first-degree murder in the death of 13-year-old Madeline Soto last week. He's the boyfriend of Madeline's mother and is also facing 60 charges related to child sex crimes. The three lived together in Kissimmee when Madeline was first reported missing in February. Investigators say Stearns was responsible for taking her to school that day, but instead killed her and left her body in the woods. Bain says Stearns' fate is either death or life in prison, but before he decides, he has a lot to consider.
Whether it was a cruel and heinous previous crime where the victim suffered, whether it was a previous violent crime, there's different factors that go into those different statutory analysis that goes along with what we consider an aggravated factor. And when it comes to mitigating factors, it can be background of the defendant, childhood upbringing, prior trauma, different things that we may know about the defendant, mental health, mental capacity.
Stearns was supposed to appear in court for his arraignment Monday, but his appearance was waived and the event was canceled.
Stephen Stearns, case 24 CF 1293.
This comes after he didn't show up for two other court dates in the past. We're told he's technically allowed to waive his appearance at all court dates if he chooses to. Now, despite Stearns not showing up for his arraignment today and that event being canceled, court dates were still set for his pretrial and his trial. If all goes according to plan, those are set for July 10th and July 16th. For now, we're live in our Osceola County Bureau. Megan Mulatto, WESH 2 News.